Let's just see how much alike you and this planet really are. What's wrong with the world nowadays? It's polluted. We're at war. A lot of deception. Masks being worn, right? People in high places not really making the most, doing the most with what they are given, wasting their talents. How polluted are you? The things you eat, the emotions you partake in, the things you allow yourself to visually take in, audibly take in. We can't always help what we see and hear, but there's a difference between hearing and seeing and taking in, letting it resonate within you. War. Are we not at war with ourselves every day? We try our hardest to put on a fake mask so that we can show people we are always kind and patient and understanding, when oftentimes we go home and vent to friends and partners, and quite frankly, that's just not how you really feel. Deception. If there's something that you love to do, love to learn, that's your thing you love, that's your passion. They didn't make it complicated. But whatever that is, if you're not actively finding a way to fill that cup, and some people sometimes feel like, well, if it won't make them money, they're wasting their time. Well, if it won't make you money, that's fine, but you still need to find a way to do it because you love it. It's about filling that cup, because we all have cups that we need to fill. Because you can't pour from an empty cup, and your perception is based on how you view your cup. Wasting talents, not doing the most with what you have. How do you spend your time? Do you spend it scrolling? Do you spend it judging? Do you spend it polluting yourself? Do you spend it wanting to control someone else's situation, or stressing or worrying about something you can't control, believing that it might actually get you closer to the desired outcome? Surprise, you had no control. Or to clean ourselves up is to clean up the world. To understand the power of our emotions and learn how to navigate them is to clean up the ocean. To care about what we put in our bodies. The brain, they call it the second brain, but if I'm going just by what I see, that one's a lot bigger than the one up here. And emotions are your power. If that's the engine, granted this might be the driver, but we're not going nowhere. Driver's useless if the car doesn't work. As above, so below. Your higher self is where you really are. Above. Down here, where we are, is below. To work on yourself is to always be connected to yourself, which is to get more in touch with your higher self. As above, so below. To affect yourself is to affect the world. If you can understand that, then you can understand that you're living in your own universe, Which is why what I'm experiencing might not be what you're experiencing. Even if we're in the same room. Whoa, that's not how I remember that going down. No, you're remembering it wrong. What if none of us are actually liars? No one's ever lied. They've all just been in their own universe believing their truth. Whoa, rabbit hole. That would be crazy. But either way, there's a lot of work to do. So get busy.